how you can really take yourself to the next level, because there is always a next level. तो जब आप ये सोचते हैं कि मुझे अब नेक्स्ट लेवल पे पहुंचना है, यू कैन ऑलवेज से दैट यू नो अभी तो सब ठीक है एंड आई एम absolutely fine, but then there is always a next level to reach to. And when you start working on that, apart from what you feel for yourself, you start working for others. You start thinking about, you know, the environment around you, the universe around you, and about yourself within. So that is what I think the last chapter which we talked about. So now let's start with you, Manisha. What do you feel? How much have you progressed? And what is your takeaway? Something you want to share? Any story to share, or anything you would like to say?
Yes, thank you so much. First of all, I would like to say a big thank you to you for your amazing sessions. The entire experience has transformed me a lot. I learned a lot about gratitude and self discipline. In my day to day life, I'm really trying to incorporate the principles that you taught us. Like, and the interactive sessions that your sessions are offering practical guidance on how to cultivate good thoughts and to be always optimistic, and beautifully view positive side of life by creating magic. I feel there is a feeling of complete bliss within me. So every time I just want to say, I want to bless you for your wonderful efforts for the entire society that you're doing. I mean, in every way, I'm grateful to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
That's
That's
from my
wonderful.
heart.
That's wonderful. Thank you. Actually, it is your effort, you know, it is your initiative that you come and then understand. That is also a big achievement, I would say. Thanks again.
Your efforts. Yeah, thanks.
Good
I think
evening.
after you, Sangeeta,
Yeah.
Sangeeta, after you, I think Manisha is another person who can really express herself very well.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Manisha
She
is
also
one
puts,
person,
she also
absolutely.
puts it across very well.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
And
Thank you
Even,
so
we,
much.
we
That
really
see
even we wanted
appreciate.
that it's always it lies in the, like you say, no, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. So same goes for you. Like you
no,
see in
even,
that way.
Yeah,
even I wanted to say all that, but I couldn't find such
the right
appropriate
word.
words as Manisha did.
No, no, this was
Yes.
not spontaneous. I was just thinking whenever anything such happens, what should I, these were my feelings. Now slowly I put into words. I mean, it's like I wanted to express all this. This was within me.
Thank you. Thank you. So sweet of you. Really. You're a very sweet person.
Thanks.
Thank you. So anybody else would like to share? You can unmute.
Geeta, I say Manisha has said everything in one, it's like we
अरे
all
यार
want to say the
वो
same
ये
thing to
सारी
you, but
मेरे
she
लिए
has
मत बोलो.
expressed it
Everybody
so
say something.
nicely with gratitude and, whatever, we have learned positivity and, the magic, everything she has really said it in a very good
पहले ही
way.
पता होता, I would have said this is from all of us.
No, Vidhu,
Yes.
I want to
So thanks.
see you also now. Show me your sweet face. Vidhu,
Yes, Vidhu, we want to see you.
I
We want to
want
see
to.
you.
I
You
want
won't want
take
to see
that.
me right now because I'm not. I'm not.
No, Vidhu, I
I
want to
think
say.
we all have a complete feeling of bliss. I guess. I
Yes.
guess just
Yes.
I mean, I think that's from all of us. Sangeeta
Thank,
for
Yes.
you.
thank you. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
We'll be waiting for your another, session when you start because it has really helped us. Because every morning we get up, we think, oh, those sessions were good, or think positive. The moment we go towards negativity, no, think positive. It's thank you, gratitude. So
Thank-
those things are coming into mind every day. So I think you've done a wonderful job, and hopefully we should stick to it. But we need a reminder from you every time. So
Definitely.
hopefully you
I'm
should continue.
I'm always there for you all. And Vidhu, you have been my lifeline. I
Oh no.
I call Vidhu my
So
lifeline.
sweet. Wow. So sweet.
Yeah,
That's so sweet of you.
she's such a sweet person. I tell you, Vidhu is a big support.
A round of applause for her. We should all clap for her.
Oh, come on, Manisha. Thank you.
So, Vidhu, why don't you show your face? Like, I want to see all videos now. Today is just an informal one.
I'm in, you see, I'm somewhere in the
Okay,
kitchen, so I don't think you're going to.
So we don't mind seeing your kitchen. We can come
Most
and have
of
a
the
cup
time
of
I'm in
tea.
the
Don't
kitchen
worry.
only.
Don't worry. We'll come and have a cup of tea with you.
Yes,
So
please
show
do.
your
Most
kitchen.
welcome. Most welcome. Right now I'm making, barfi, chocolate barfi for Karwa Chauth
कोई बात
tomorrow.
नहीं, हम
So-
वो भी देख लेंगे. हम लोग वहीं से टेस्ट ले लेंगे. Don't worry.
No.
Okay, that's wonderful. So
Yeah, that's me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes. See, I'm on my apron and everything.
So that's the best thing, no? See,
Yes.
that's the best thing.
While
Very
cooking,
nice.
and I used to always listen to her when I'm cooking and doing things in the kitchen. So I used to
Very
tell her, Sangeeta, I'm in the
Sangeeta,
kitchen.
you rock. You rock. While cooking also, you're on our minds.
Yes, the positivity. So the food tastes better.
That's
It
it.
so
That's it.
happens, yes, because
Yes.
it is 70% water inside our body.
Yes.
So
Yes.
whatever we cook, if we are giving gratitude, that is the best form.
Yes, the food tastes
Wonderful.
better.
So you are actually practicing. That's great.
Yes,
to know.
of course.
That's actually true. Like since I started joining these sessions, I would like to say that every morning is more positive.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
if we feel positive, I believe and I am seeing the difference that every activity, be it cooking, be it just going hang out with friends, everything feels more positive. That yeah,
Mm.
I can win over the situation, being positive and thinking right, thinking mindful. These sessions actually transform like the 360, and looking forward to more reminders of such sorts.
Thank you so much, Shreya. That is so nice of you. Wonderfully said. So beautiful
Okay.
as you are.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks to you. Even you see the positivity on the face, and I see a lot on your face. I always say that there's always a positive vibe coming out from you,
Yeah.
and I guess now it's with
And I
everyone
must
in
tell
this
you,
chat.
like when I started these sessions, so I just was thinking how to go about, but then I got help from everybody. Everybody supported. And the best part was that everyone was keen to join in, to learn something. And it is all your effort, that has made it possible because your presence, the space you created here, that matters a lot to me. Thank you so much for being there. Thanks, Shreya. So yes, now who next? Aditi.
So I would like to say something,
Yeah.
or Arush, or I don't know. They all can say something.
Yeah,
Like
yes.
comments, valuable comments from all.
Arush.
From whom to start?
Yeah.
Who's gonna say?
Ma'am, you know that 1 month was a big positive month for us.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Yes.
seriously,
Everybody
ma'am,
used to come on
your
chat
sessions.
in
Yes, ma'am. Seriously, ma'am, your sessions taught me a lot within a month.
yeah.
Like it changed many things within me, but the most important of them was my way of seeing other peoples and things.
Yeah.
I realized both the good and the bad
Mhm.
in front of us, and it's upon us what to choose, like from goods and bads.
Mhm.
So, ma'am, at the
And
end,
I
I just
must
want to
say,
say
thank you to Sandeep because I have seen tremendous change in him. The kind of Sandeep I know, like it wasn't that way what I'm talking, but what I mean is there has been 360 degrees change, which I see in Sandeep now. His approach has become so positive. Everything what comes out from his mouth, he's speaking with, affirmation,
yes,
with
ma'am.
that powerful uh, kind of speech he has. He has improved himself a lot, and that has created the magic is around that I'm seeing.
Ma'am, basically the thought process have changed
Thought
in
process,
mine.
yeah. The mindset actually is
Yes,
is
ma'am.
more positive now, and you're very clear in what you are
Yes, ma'am.
saying.
Yes,
There's
ma'am.
no confusion. There's a lot of
No, ma'am.
clarity and assertiveness, which I feel now.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. I'm so happy for you, Sandeep.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. So we'll keep continuing. The only thing is that maybe after a short break now again we'll start. What is required is your practice as you're doing and to reach to that next level. That is what is required. So all the best to you. Thank
Oh,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, so sir, would you like to say something?
No, um, actually, Manisha has said everything. You know, I have not attended all your sessions.
Yeah.
I wish I had. I missed out, but maybe your future sessions I'll try and attend. But then I have my own constraints, like I told you,
Yeah, yes, sir.
right? What I have started practicing is actually by nature I am a very impatient man. I'm telling you, and I know it. And I've tried to control my impatience a number of times, but haven't succeeded. But after seeing you, you know, with so much of work, so many things in your mind, you still are so, you know, happy looking and smiling all the time. I have also started, you know, controlling my impatience a little bit. I won't say I've succeeded a lot, but there is a certainly marked improvement in my impatience.
Thank
Now I
you.
do things coolly. Well, gratitude I can't say. I think it'll take some time for me to, you know, practice that
Yeah.
expressing
It
gratitude.
is all practice, yes.
Frankly, it hasn't happened as yet. But it's there in my mind. At the back of my mind, it is always there.
It is
So
all.
hopefully, in due course, uh, it'll help me in maybe, you know, controlling my impatience. That is one thing which I want to
Yeah, so the
desperately.
journey has started, you know, and you have taken the first step. So that is what is required. When it is there in the thought and you
Yeah,
start taking action, so you have started the journey.
yeah, that's
That
right.
is there.
So I'm now. I feel I'm, you know, becoming a little more balanced person. Not that I was not balanced. I mean, but that impatience used to, you know, make me do things which were probably not right at times.
Yeah,
So I'm trying to control that. That in that way, it has helped me a lot.
very nice.
And thanks to you,
So
Sangeeta.
impatience तो हो जाती है unless you understand that why is it coming and then you touch the core of it. You understand what is the source. So impatience जो है, it goes by practice. That is, it is not a
Quite right.
one-day job. But then, since you have started doing and you understand, the main thing is you be aware of it and you are present for it to understand. So then you can take on and you can understand how to take the action. That is what is required.
Quite right.
Thank
Quite
you
right.
so much because challenges तो सबकी life में आते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि challenges नहीं आते.
Yeah.
But then how you understand them, how you handle and how you create that atmosphere where you are able to approach and find the solution to that challenge is what is required. So thank you so much for being here and you are always so inspiring. Your life as such is very inspiring for us. I know you since very long time and I know that your approach is towards the positive side. That is that is how I know you. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
It is there.
And ma'am,
It is
Sir,
there.
it was
one
nice
more thing.
hearing from you.
Thank you. Thank you
Something.
so much. No, but then, you know, the way, you know, one is that the way Sangeeta puts it across, the communication skills are par excellent. And secondly, you are also, you know, at par with Sangeeta, I must say, Manisha, the way you put
Manisha
it.
is too good.
Wow, क्या
I don't
बात है.
have
Today
those.
I will fly on cloud 9. My husband say, wow, क्या बात है. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm learning from Sangeeta.
Yeah, yeah. There's plenty to learn. She is tremendously, you know, gifted person. Whatever
Yes.
little I've known of her, but she's an immensely talented person, and there's a
Yes.
lot we can learn from.
Thank
There's a lot.
Yes. That's why all our blessings to her.
Yeah, certainly.
Ma'am, a big thank to you.
Thank you and blessings to all of you. So anybody else would like to share your story and what has been the learning? Arush, Aditi?
Ma'am, everyone has expressed their views so beautifully that nothing to say now. But I have practicing something like I can show you the example also if
Yeah.
you want. Wait, like I had a tulsi plant and the leaves got shredded somehow. I don't know how. And now, like, not a single leaf has been like left on the stems.
Hmm.
So I'm practicing like I have changed the mud and sand also, and like I'm taking care of it now, and I'm appreciating it daily on the daily basis.
Okay, very good.
Like, and now I can see the very little leaves that coming around
Hmm.
this plant. Let me show you. Wait up. Yeah. Hopefully you can see these
Yeah, yes, yes,
little
yes.
leaves. It is actually growing like it's. You told us that if we like, if we appreciate someone or something, like the water example, everything is water and all, like 70% of water and everything. Uh, like everything has water in it, and they change shape and they actually feel happy and appreciate it to grow. And like there is an example, if we abuse a plant daily, or that rice example also,
Yeah.
like there was a 2 bags of rice, and one he
Yes.
appreciated and one he
Yeah.
abused daily.
Mhm.
I'm actually practicing that, and now I can see the results, and I show you the result also.
Very good, very good. Good.
So actually nothing more to say, but actually I'm practicing. Like I will hopefully say something good in future also, but actually I'm at the
I'm
practicing mode right
basically
now.
the
Very nice. Because
paying
you know,
gratitude.
when you practice, it means you understand everything is energy. तो एक एनर्जी दूसरी बड़ी एनर्जी को शुक्राना करे. It's like that, you know, when you are giving back to the world, the universe. So it is like your vibrations and your frequencies which are going back to the universe, and it comes back to you in many folds.
Mhm.
तो आपको, see, you all are champions. तो चैंपियन वो नहीं होता जो फर्स्ट आता है. चैंपियन वो होता है जो जर्नी में अपना चल रहा है. And that
Mhm.
journey is very important. And how
And
you
I'm
are moving in the journey is more important. Yes.
and I'm actually happy that I can see the leaves right now. Like I'm really fond of like planting and all,
Very good.
petting animals and all.
Mhm.
And this really made me happy that not a single leaf has been there for like a few days ago, and now it's blooming new again.
So today is a vegan day. Um,
Today is a vegan day. I don't know about that.
yeah. So if you know the concept of being vegan, you can check Google. And it's about being vegetarian.
Like they like is there a milk thing?
Yeah.
They exclude the milk also, milk products
Yeah,
also.
yeah. Not even milk. Yes.
Mhm.
So yes, anybody else, or otherwise we'll just, I will talk about my next session, which will be on Saturday. And I will keep the same time around 4 o'clock. So, and we'll talk about a
With
beautiful chapter, which is about relationships. So if I would like you to invite your
okay.
friends and family to this, where we understand what exactly and how we need to work on this. Because most of the successful people, they are able to manage their lives and handling different kinds of relations. It is your relation with yourself and with others. That is what we'll be talking about. So anybody would like to share? Or we can just, I have another small sharing which I'll be doing. Like just 1 minute. So if you have time, we can, okay. All right, then, bye-bye. And
Thank
take
you.
care,
Thank
everybody.
you.
Bye,
Yes.
Sangeeta. Bye bye. Thank
Bye,
you.
bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you, ma'am.
All
Bye.
a great life, lots of happiness and abundance in your life. Take care. Bye-bye.
Same to you, ma'am.
Same to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
Thank you. See you in my
Bye.
next session. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.